This is AP News Minute. Ariel Castro's defense lawyers and prosecutors in Cleveland are discussing a plea deal. Castro is accused of kidnapping 3 women, repeatedly raping them, and holding them hostage for a decade. A plea deal could help Castro avoid the death penalty. Energy services giant Halliburton has agreed to plead guilty to destroying evidence in connection with the 2010 Gulf of Mexico oil spill. The company has agreed to pay the maximum fine, go on probation, and keep cooperating with government investigators. The defense closing arguments are scheduled for Friday in the trial of Bradley Manning. The Army private is accused of supplying secret government information to the anti-secrecy group WikiLeaks. And Pope Francis is set to meet with young convicts on Friday as he continues his visit to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press, with AP News Minute.